Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Vinted. First, open Vinted and log in. Click your profile picture at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down, select My Orders. Go to the All section to view all your orders. Click on the order you want to cancel. Click the information icon if needed. Look for the cancel order option and click it. Confirm the cancellation. And you're done. Your order will be canceled. And that's it. That's how to cancel order on Vinted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.